Oh my gosh. It took you long enough to hit him. He was just laying in one spot.
They said that he was hit.
One.
He said it was hit once.
He's got two more.
What?
Oh, he said two.
The fuck is he?
In the woods.
You have one leaf on your head.
Yeah, you got one leaf sticking up.
No, it was three.
Let me see my Shemag.
You what?
Shemag. This
yeah,
thing.
Yeah. We had this conversation already.
Okay.
Oh.
Where's Patrick? He's like.
Oh my gosh.
There he is.
It was like 3D on the camera. Good trigger finger.
That tree. Get behind that tree.
Oh, that's so good. Remains out.
Sid, Patrick.
Sid.
Patrick, come on.
Holy shit. I can't see your finger.
Oh! Chill out, dude.
Oh shit! Fuck! I'm hit.
Sid, that's my boy!
He hit me in the glass.
Hey, that's why we wear eye pro, right?
You can still medic me.
You better get your... Ooh.
Lay down, touch my legs. Lay down. Touch me. Come to touch me.
Touch me.
Shut up.
Gotta go a little bit higher on the waist, you know.
Touch my body.
Feel Mariah Carey.
A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Why not?
Okay, I think that was 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30.
30, go.
It's like touching you, man.
Where is he?
You know, that 30 seconds that he was reviving him, he could have revived Romero.
Where the fuck? I get hit again.
In the eye.
Man, where are you?
I see him.
Okay.
All you gotta do is run, grab me, and move.
That's gonna work.
Way to strategize real loud so your enemy can hear you.
How did that not work?
What'd you do?
I just dropped it like this.
Oh, you suck at life.
You have a visual?
I see him.
Okay.
Hey, dude, I like my face.
Hey. Put as much fire on him as you can.
Put all the
I mean,
ammo. Seriously. Put all the ammo on him.
I'm ready when you are. Once you do that, I'm gonna move up and kid him. Just put cover fire in his area. He's down.
we're ready for that ammo, were you?
Nice. Let's game. I think, yeah, sure. There's Sid. Hiding back there like a leaf. Good game, guys.
Shot me in the elbow again. Right. Where's my elbow?
I'm holding my knife. You're like right over here, right there. No, you were over there just like spraying.
I was behind a tree.
Still didn't hit you.
I was behind a tree.
No, not down there. You were like out in the open shooting at TJ, and I shot at you, and then you ran off.
They were landing.